the Malaysian Open 5 times.
3 love.
UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador. Such a mega star here. As that gives an indication of this man's status in sporting terms. Sets up the rally with the tight spin. Telling me about the new dimension to his game, and I wholeheartedly agree with him. He used to be a player that just only reacted to whatever his opponent was throwing at him. Super. Still in total control of the rally. 5 minutes into the match, we've had the mid-game interval. Lee Chong-wei, world #1, looking very much in control at the moment. Sure, of course, bronze medalist from Athens in 2000. Unbelievable. Great attacking play. Look at that defensive shot. Whips the shuttle across court. Ball to these drop shots. Is concerned. Perhaps we'll enjoy more success from that far side of the court. Oh, the trick shot between the legs. Of the level of confidence of Lee Chong-wei. Normally so confident he's going to win. That's how to finish off a game.
First game won by
Perfect smash, straight down the line. Yeah, perfect place. Yeah.
5-1.
Coach Misbah Sadek. Oh, that's glorious. Yeah, that's nice. Believing that he can win some rallies. Once again, I was just able to make it look so easy. So the trait of all champions, they make it easy and look easy. Body movement forced his opponent into error. Oh yes, well played.
17.
Outclassed in that opening game. He has stuck to his game plan. He's leapt from the mid-court area for Lee Chong-wei. Going for the cross-court smash. Lee Chong-wei was alert to it. All he needed to do was play the straight block